Hi, I'm Kirsten Bunch, Vice President for Student Services at Blue Ridge Community College. Throughout this academic success workshop, you'll gain a better understanding of academic probation. When a student's cumulative GPA falls below a 2.0, they're considered to be making unsatisfactory academic progress and are placed on academic probation. This class is not a punitive measure. It exists to provide you with better understanding of the resources available to you. It is our goal to help you bring your GPA back up above a 2.0 with the skills necessary to keep you off of academic probation. Before you meet with a success coach, career coach, or admissions counselor, this class is mandatory prior to your one-on-one meeting. When completed, you'll receive an academic workshop badge that greenlights you into meeting with your assigned coach or admissions counselor located in Watermark. Please know that Student Services Division exists to help you during your time at Blue Ridge. We gladly accept that responsibility and encourage you to let us know whenever we can be of assistance.